Melvin Yates. We're here at another one of our outdoor projects. We are now starting a tree house. A tree house. Why would I build a tree house? Well, we are building a tree house because I have younger ones that like to play outdoors, and so we figured we'd build a tree house. Today is actually day 0, maybe day 1. We did the planning, we got the schematics done, the architect did the drawings, and we've done the measurements, and the guys are ready to go. So we're actually just getting started. As you can see, we've got lots of concrete. Today we're just going to focus on the foundation. Lots of 6x6s, and those are 16-foot 6x6s because this is going to be a 2-story tree house. These are the trees. This is tree 1 right here, and then tree 2 is right here. This tree is actually attached to the tree swing that we have for the kids, but it shouldn't interfere with the tree house. The tree house is gonna have a small little wraparound porch, and it is gonna be 2 stories, but shouldn't stick out far enough to interfere with the tree swing. So we'll bring you updates as they come, and we'll talk to you soon.